Hi, Ellie here and welcome to this video where we are going to compare and cover the main 12 features of the Ooni Volt 12 and the Ninja 8-in-1 Woodfire Outdoor Oven. Both of these two are popular electric pizza cooking ovens. There are some differences between them, so if you are looking to buy an indoor or outdoor electric oven that can cook pizza, there are some factors to consider first. But before we go into that, my question of the day is, are you planning to buy an electric indoor or outdoor oven soon? And if so, which model? Let's go into the 12 features. If you want an electric pizza oven with sufficient power to reach high temperatures quickly, then both of these ovens can do that. They heat up quickly for efficient cooking. The difference being that the Volt can heat the stone up to a much higher temperature than the Ninja. From my pizza cooking experiences so far, I have found that the Volt can reach 490 degrees Celsius in the center of the stone. And so far with the Ninja, it has reached 427 degrees Celsius in the center of the stone. The longer I leave the ovens on, the hotter the stone gets. I reach these very hot temperatures after cooking pizza one after the other, and leaving the ovens on full heat after each cook. Both of these ovens have excellent precise temperature control and also have adjustable temperature settings to accommodate various pizza cooking styles. The size of the cooking area or cooking surface felt similar with both these ovens. The stone dimensions for the Volt are 13 inch by 13 inch and for the Ninja 12.7 inch by 12.4 inch using my tape measure. That's as accurate as I could get. The dimensions of the stone help to ensure it can accommodate the size of pizzas you plan to prepare. The construction and build quality of the oven matters, particularly if you are going to carry them around like I do. I want a durable appliance that can withstand high temperatures and regular use. Both these ovens feel very well made and designed. They are both very solid ovens. I found them very easy to use because they're electric. There is an advantage to the Volt over the Ninja, however. The Volt can be used indoors and outdoors, but the Ninja can only be used outdoors. I didn't understand why at first when I bought it, but now I can when I see the smoke or steam it generates from the cook. However, the unit is rated IPX4 and the plug is IP66 RCD with a reset switch, which is designed to trip should there be any circuit issues. The Volt's plug doesn't have an RCD with a reset switch. It looks like a normal plug, and so you would need to ensure if using an extension cable that it includes electrical safety devices such as RCDs. I only need to make one pizza turn in the Volt, as there is a higher heat spot at the back, and I can see it cooking through the glass window. With a Ninja, I don't need to turn the pizza at all, which is great. I just keep an eye on the time and the smell coming out of the oven guides me, as it doesn't have a glass door. There's no pizza turning with the Ninja 8-in-1, but you will need to turn the pizza once with the Volt. They are both portable, but these ovens aren't super light. The 8-in-1 Ninja weighs 32.4 pounds, which is 14.7 kilograms, and the Volt weighs 17.8 kilograms, which is 39.24 pounds. So the Volt is heavier than the Ninja. Both are easy to clean with removable stones. Price is a critical factor in any purchase decision. There is a big price point difference between these two ovens. I paid £314 for the Ninja 8-in-1 and I paid, I think it was £800 for the Volt. It was like $799. So there is a big price difference between these two ovens. With regard to customer service, I found the customer service recently for the Ninja 8-in-1 very good. For example, recently with the Ninja, I hadn't received the free pellets in the box in my unboxing, and they responded very quickly and sent me 2 free bags of pellets. And as a Joe Blogs random customer, that was a 10 out of 10, excellent response and fantastic customer service. They were very easy to get hold of and they responded very quickly. When it comes to cooking versatility, the Ninja 8-in-1 is the clear winner. It's not just a pizza oven, it can also be used as a roaster, smoker and more, particularly the smoker part, as it can be used with wood pellets. The Ooni Volt, while excellent for pizzas, may be more limited in terms of the variety of dishes you can cook in it. Consider your cooking preferences and whether you want an oven specifically for pizza or a more versatile indoor or outdoor cooking solution. In conclusion, both the Volt and the Ninja have their strengths and cater to different needs. If you prioritize indoor cooking, portability, quick heating, and a dedicated pizza oven, the Ooni Volt might be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for a versatile outdoor cooking experience with a range of options, the Ninja 8-in-1 Woodfire Outdoor Cooking Oven could be the perfect fit. Consider your specific preferences and needs before making your decision. And let us know in the comments which indoor or outdoor oven you prefer. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.